Hello everyone. In last video we have discussed about application layer. Now the question is how data transfer from application layer to their sixth layer, like layer number 6, presentation layer. So from application layer all the data transfer through the help of port number. Port number belongs to networking services, like if port number 80 is there, then HTTP, 21 FTP is there, 25 SMTP is there, 53 DNS is there, and there are so many protocols are there. Now what is exactly the work of OSI models layer number 6? The layer number 6 is known as presentation layer. When data transfer from application to presentation, then presentation is responsible for converting data into standard format, because as we know, when we are sending data through internet, there are so many hackers are all about our public network, that is on internet. So presentation layer is exactly used to provide security. Like what is the example of security? I'm going to give you for following tasks: encoding, decoding, encryption, decryption, and compression, decompression. Now what is the meaning of that? Now for example, your friend send messages, hello, how are you? Then when this message sent by application layer to presentation layer, then this message is encrypted. Now what is the meaning of encryption? Like the message is converted into that language that is not belongs to human understandable. Okay, so the message is encrypted. When this message reach to the destination, then automatically it will decrypt. Because for example, if any hacker spoof your network, for example, if any hacker hack your network and your message is with hacker now, but if the message is encrypted, then hacker is not able to see that message because that is on machine language. So he has to use so many decryptor. So that's why presentation layer is used to provide security. Also, if you want to compress your files, like for example, you are sending any big video like 64 MB to 65 MB on WhatsApp. Okay, but at 64 MB, WhatsApp not support after 64 MB. So you can compress that file with WinRAR. This is the same example taken by presentation layer. This is used for compress the file, and when destination receives this, the file will be decompressed. So automatically presentation layer is used to provide the security. For example, I want to give you one more example here. Like you download any file from internet, and that is one photograph, but your phone don't support JPG format and file is in JPG. So you are not able to read that file. In your phone there is no MP3 player and you don't want to listen song that the extension is MP3. So presentation layer is basically used to encode the file and decode the file, which is used to provide the security. So in our next layer we are going to discuss about session layer, like what is the session and how it works. Thank you so much.